Just a reminder, in case your mind is playing tricks on you today. You matter. You're important. You're loved. And your presence on this earth makes a difference, whether you see it or not.
As usual, premium interfacing from Royal Pixie, and then I used Decoville Light. This is on cotton fabric, and here we go. I wanted to say that bag making is always about making sandwiches. You just sandwich everything. You sandwich here, you sandwich there, and somehow sandwiching a bunch of different fabrics makes a bag. How crazy is that? Speaking of sandwiches, what is your favorite type of sandwich? An edible one, not a bag one. Let me know in the comments. Look how pretty this blue is. I just need to top stitch it to be done with this front panel, but look how pretty. I just wanted to show it off. Who wants to talk about zippers? Okay, let's talk zipper tape. So right here, I'm going to fold the ends, and then I'm going to take a lighter and melt it. So that way, instead of stitching this zipper in place, all you have to do is melt it really fast and pinch it so it melts together the different layers once it's folded, and there you go. And then I did the same thing on the other side, and that's it. It's way simpler than sewing it in place. Right here, I wanted to show that whenever I top stitch, I make sure that the lining is not underneath. It just is a preference. I think that it looks nicer, and some people like to keep it sewn down and others don't. Those who are curious, I did use a hump jumper to get over those bulky seams. Yes, this is a rainbow chopstick I'm going to use to poke out the corners. This vinyl is our new light cyan shimmer, and I used our zipper tape, which has iridescent white teeth on it. And I really like our shimmers. They're color shifting, and in different light you can see the different colors that it shows. It's really awesome. Check them out.